Okay, so this is the conclusion of installing keyless entry to this 1997 Nissan Altima. Originally, I bought an original, or I should say initially I bought an original Nissan remote. I was under the impression that all of these cars were equipped with keyless entry. It is not the case. So I paid $11 for this, and I'll never use it. So if anybody has a car that needs this, 11 bucks, man, I'd love to give it to you. Otherwise, it's just going to sit in a drawer. So for $13 shipped, I got two of these types of remotes and the module to install into the car. And now that's unlock and lock. Works great. The trunk, this car is not equipped with an electric trunk opener, so I wasn't able to do anything with that. The unit also has a window up down or a down control. When you unlock it or you lock it or you push a certain sequence, then the windows would go down. Probably just the driver window actually, and I did not do anything with that. The lights, there's outputs for flashing the marker lights and the parking lights. I was going to hook it up to the horn instead, but my son, this is my son's car, and I asked him to be up at 7 a.m. today to work with me, and he slept in, so I decided not to do that. I did start to take the harness apart coming from the steering wheel to try to figure out where that wire is. It would be a green with a white stripe wire coming out of the steering column, but it was nicely wrapped. I did start unwrapping it, but I didn't get very far, and I decided, you know what, this is good enough. So locking, unlocking, it works, and it wasn't too bad. See the first video and the mapping for the wires on this car, and I think it's going to be the same from 2003 through 2007. All the Nissans from in that time period should have the same colored wires and the same modules. Anyway, hope this helps somebody.